Welcome back to Never Too Old Garage. I have decided, my wife convinced me, and I think she's right, she's always right, to actually just cut the fans and get new ones. There's quite a bit of rust up here, and I think it's better to just get rid of these. That side's not so bad, but if I'm gonna buy one, I might as well buy two. So at least it'll be all new. So I'm gonna use my sawzall to start cutting. Leave about an inch and a half for the flange, and then I'll take the, I'll go back through and pop the rivets and get rid of a lot of this so I can work in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting. Hopefully we'll be able to get through this pretty quickly. Go from there.